Hello students, in last lecture we studied about the brief history of English novel. In today's lecture we see the difference between novels and novelia and major types of the novels. In last lecture we studied some important writers, their great work. Some Indian writers there were and some Anglo-Indian also there were. Gulliver's Travels, The Pilgrim Progress, Rajmohan's Wife, these were the three greatest novels in English history of novels, which occupied by the Indo-Anglian novels. Some more novels such as Salman Rushdie's, then Bronte sisters, Emily Bronte, Charlotte Bronte and Anna Bronte. Some Indian novels and some foreign novelists such as British novels and Indian novels, which occupied by the great compositions of the detailed history of novels. Now let's see the difference between novel and novelia. According to the concept novel, a novel is a genre of fiction which is referred to as a long narrative prose which presents a quite lengthy story of a group of fictional or imaginary characters and events. And novelia, it means a being slightly different from a novel in terms of its length. A novel is referred to as a genre of fiction which is longer than a short story but shorter than a novel. So that is the huge difference between novel and novelia. Novelia, the word originated from the Italian word novelle, is a type of prose fiction which is shorter than a full length novel and longer than short stories. It is a well structured yet short narrative, often satiric or realistic in tone. It usually focuses on one incident or issue with one or two main characters and takes place at a single tradition. Some of the famous novellas in English are The Heart of Darkness, written by Joseph Conrad, The Turn of the Screw by Henry James, Billy Butts by Herman Melville, Death in Venice by Thomas Mann, Says the Day by Saul Bellow, and The Pearl by John Steinbeck. Elements of the novel. There are some important elements of the novel such as theme, plot, character, setting, conflict, language and style. There are 6 elements essential of novel or novelia. All these factors may be related to one another in the work by an author. Let's see the theme. Theme is a central idea in the novel which can be expressed in a nutshell. It is a philosophical statement or a truth which the writer has put forth through the narration of the series of events in the story and characters acting in the particular setting. Plot. Plot is essentially the story or the course of events that make up the theme. It is created by the conflict either internal or external. Internal, it means the mind of the characters, inside mind of the characters, that is called internal, and external means with other characters or entities. Plot may be simple, one plot, or complex, which consisting the interweaving of many subplots. Characterizations is related to the plot as a course of events take place because of the certain behavior of the characters. Depiction of character can range from a thumbnail sketch to deep, wordy, highly detailed verbal sketch. The important characters may have been described in its every aspect by the writer. The minor characters are not given much importance. The reader follows the actions of one main character throughout the novel. This character is referred to as the protagonist. Protagonist means the characters. It is the conflict with the character or an entity or a force, internal or external, which is known as the antagonist. Means characters which occupied by the antagonist and protagonist, means hero and villain. Setting is the background in which the story takes place. There are several aspects of the setting. It includes place, period, time, climate or weather and lifestyle. Plot and characters are the two major elements that are affected due to setting. Conflict. The struggle between opposite forces in the story is called the conflict. Conflict in the story provides interest and curiosity about the plot. Without conflict, novel would not be complete. That's why conflict, it has its own importance. Language or style. The language and the techniques used by the author for the narration of the course of events is known as the style. The author can use extensive vocabulary and high phrases, or he may be iconic and would write only to the point, or he may mix both according to the requirement for meeting his purpose. He may use linguistic devices to make the narrative effective. All those factors decide the textures of the narration and create an impact of the readers. Let's see the types of novels. According to the major types of the novels, there are some important types of the novels such as epistolary novel, picaresque novel, experimental novel, novel of manners, sentimental novel, gothic novel, historical novel, social realism novel, psychological or the stream of conscious novels. Let's see the more information about that. First one is that realistic novel. Realistic novel is a fiction that gives the effect of realism. Sometimes this is also called a novel of manner. It can be characterized by its complex character with mixed motives that are root in the social class. The characters in the realistic novel interact with the other characters and undergo plausible and everyday experiences. Let's see about picaresque novel. The word picaresque is originated from the Spanish word picaro, which means rogue. A picaresque novel narrates the adventures of the protagonist, who is an eccentric or disreputable person, in an episodic form. Historical novel. A historical novel is a novel set in a period earlier than that of the writing. Epistolary novel. The word epistolary derives from the Latin word epistola, which means a letter. The epistolary novel is that in which the writer presents the narrative through a series of correspondence or other documents, although letters are the most common basis for epistolary novel. Diary entries are also a popular form of this type. Gothic novel. The novel that includes terror, mystery, horror, thriller, supernatural, doom, death or the decay or haunted buildings are called the Gothic novels. Autobiographical novel. The autobiographical novel is the novel based on the life of the author However, the author changes the places and names of characters or even may change or avoid certain details of his life. It may or may not be in the first person narration. Allegorical novel. An allegory is story that bears more than one level of meaning. The surface meaning of such novel is different from the symbolic meaning of it. The symbolic meaning of an allegory may be political, religious, historical, or philosophical. Next one, dystopian novel or utopian. Utopia is an imaginary community or society possessing the ideal qualities. It is a common literary theme, especially in science fiction or speculative fiction. Psychological novel. Psychological novel is the work of fiction that treats the internal life of the protagonist or even the other characters such as much as the external factor. Stream of consciousness novel. Stream of consciousness is a phrase coined by William James in his treatise Principles of Psychology, which is written in 1890. It means the flow of the thoughts. Incidents in the plot are in the sequence of their occurrences. The novelist narrates them as they enter the mind of the character. Bildungsroman novel. The German word Bildungsroman indicates growth. The financial biography or autobiography is concerned with the growth of the protagonist's mind, spirit and character from their childhood to adulthood. In the first half of the 20th century, a cut of the pulp magazines became popular in which fantastic fiction for the general entertainment of the masses was printed on the cheap pulp paper. The pulp fiction era provided a building ground for the detective novels and science fiction. Science fiction is a genre of speculative fiction dealing with imaginative concepts such as futuristic setting, futuristic science and technology, space travel, time travel, parallel universes, and extraterrestrial life. Science fiction often implores the potential consequences of scientific and other innovations. Frankenstein by Mary Shelley, written in 1823, is considered the first novel in English novel. Has undergone vital changes since its birth and it has undoubtedly very bright future. Now let's see about novelia. A novelia is a word originated from the Italian word novelli,